Hello traders, welcome to Forex Lab and I'm your host Holpip. So in this weekly episode we will discuss gold from weekly time frame to low time frame, and also we will see what sort of possible scenarios and entries we have in this upcoming week, and especially the direction of the gold. So before continuing analysis, if you guys are watching my video first time, just press the bell icon of my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel where you will get remain updated. So let's undo the charts and see what we have on a weekly time frame. As we can see that market is clearly closes below these previous bodies of the candle and the previous week candle. So it means that market created and market grabbed momentum towards bearish side. Why I'm talking about this, that market will on a bearish side, I will tell you at the end of my video the major confirmations that why we are talking about bearish side. At here, I will use two things to identify the next target. First, I will use Fibonacci retracement level, and secondly, the parallel channel. First of all, this is the break of structure. Wait a minute. So, this is the previous break of structure when market started its proper bullish channel at this level. Wait a minute. And secondly, I will use a Fibonacci retracement level to find out what actually next target we will have if the market is on a bearish side. As we can see that in the previous weekly episode, I have mentioned that market will retest 0.236 level, which is approximately 3130 area, and market did exactly same as I have mentioned in my weekly episode. Although right now, what we have the next Fibonacci retracement level, which is 328 level that market must have to respect in the upcoming weeks for the completion of this rising channel and remain in the trend. Here is the target, which is 2950 to 2960 area approximately by using Fibonacci retracement level, that we have a weekly target. I'm expecting that market will fall up to this level. On the opening of the week, may market rise up for the liquidity sweeps and for some sort of corrections, then fall back towards this level. This is not the one-time move. It can take it and it can move upside, downside move as the market patterns that it moves. So we have a clear direction. We have confirmations that candles are closes below. So let's back to daily time frame and see what we have on a daily time frame. For the weekly time frame, we have missed that this is the upper areas that we should keep an eye, because this is the accumulation and range area that market stays up to previous 5 weeks. So on a daily time frame, what we can see that market is moving. First of all, I will use that Elliott impulse move for market creates upside higher high, then creates a bottom, then high, then bottom, and at this level that high can approximately be at this level, then market fall back and completed its Elliott impulse move for the intraday. So here we have that Elliott move, but we will not rely on this Elliott impulse move. This is for the confirmations that, and this is for the direction. And for the execution entries, we should go for the shorter time frame for H1 and 30 and 30 for the confirmations. For the execution, for the confirmation, we should look for H4 channel. This is the previous coach on daily time frame, although it's on H4, and this is the previous structural resistance areas. And especially the third thing we should keep an eye on, that this is the liquidity sweeps area after this impulsive move that market did not respect properly at this level, which is approximately 3270 to 3280 area. On a daily time frame, wait a minute. On a daily time frame, we have, wait a minute for the exact support and resistances. So here things are going to be interesting on a daily time frame. As this is the inner line of the parallel channel, I'm expecting market will go for the liquidity sweep to respect this previous structure resistance area, then fall back toward this area. First target we will have again 3130 area at this level. If any H4 candle closes below this level, the next target we will have on intraday, which is 30 3050 or 3054 area, which is the previous break of structure. This is the boss area that I'm highlighting. This all these are coach and boss areas. At this level we will again look for the confirmation that market break this level, then rise above, then we can took sell toward these levels. So here we have confirmations that market is on a bearish side. So a weekly and a daily time frame we have on bearish cycle. So let's move to the H4 and see what we have. Here we have, things are very common and interesting. In the last Friday, we were using this trend line channel, parallel channel, which was broken on the Friday. So here we can see that market is above this structural support area and the previous rejections area. Market is on an upside move. Here we have coach and liquidity sweeps area. I'm expecting that market will rise up to this level. First target we will have 3270 area or 3265 area. Here we have wait for the confirmation of the downside move. Okay, we have to wait for the here confirmation. What confirmation we will look for? If the H4 candle closes below 32 70 or 60 area, then I will took short areas toward these levels. If not, we will have again upside correction moves up to, if the H4 closes above 30 to 80 area. Okay, I'm talking about structural resistance area. If the H4 closes above, then we will took trades up to 32 to 40 area for the correction. Then here we have a massive move, impulsive move towards our weekly targets. Okay, so here is the short analysis and overview of the gold that I'm looking for. And what reason I'm talking about bearish side, I also mentioned you should have to be keep an eye on the market makers and the bulls in the market, what sort of entries they are taking in. So we will use our core data. It is called the commitments of traders, which is published by every week. Here we can see that the non-commercials have opened again massive entries rather than long entries. So here short entries, which means that in the next upcoming week, market is again on the bearish sides. Here we can see that we have highlights our pivot points and the major points, and my target will be at this level, which is my weekly target. So here is the overview. If you guys like it and it's helped you in the trading, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget it, and like my video. Thank you so much.